Good morning, student. Welcome back to Maths online classes. I'm your Maths teacher, and we are in the topic of chapter number 9, measurement. We completed page number up to 180. Okay, and in our previous classes, up to 119. In our previous classes, we have taken 2 points, longer and shorter, and small and big. Okay, I am going to explain you in just short over here, longer and shorter. Here I am having pencil with me, 2 pencils. Okay, this one is longer and this pencil is just shorter to another pencil. Okay, so this one is longer and this one is shorter. By this only we can identify longer or shorter. In same way, we can identify this one is small mango and this one is big mango. Okay, the size of mango is small and this mango size is big. So this way we can identify or we can measure which one is longer, which one is shorter, or which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Now come to the page number 120. And the topic is tallest and shortest. Tallest and shortest. Here you can see that I am taking some few points on few examples. 2 persons are standing over here. One, this person, and which one is taller and which one is shorter, children? Can you tell me? Yes. So you have to write S for shorter and T for taller. Okay. So here this person is short in height and this person is tall in height. Okay, this way only we can take other example. One tree is there and one mango tree is there and one coconut tree is there, children. So, which one is taller and which one is smaller, shortest? Okay, here the shortest tree is mango tree. So, we will write over here S. And the tallest tree is coconut tree. So, we will write over here T. Like this way you have to solve page number 120. In same way, in page number 121, I will take one example of that. Here the question is given over there. Pick the tallest and cross the shortest. Okay, I am taking coconut tree example. First I will write over here the question. Tick the, you have to write like, you have to tick like this. Tallest and cross the shortest. Okay, like this way question is given over here. I am taking only one example for your good understanding. Okay, so by which you can understand. Here some coconut tree is drawn over here. Like this. So you have to take the tallest and cross the shortest. Here the tallest one is third number. So we have to do like this. We have to put the sign of right over here. Now take the shortest one. So this tree is the shortest one. So we have to put the sign of the cross. Okay. Now come in page number 124. I hope you all are understanding. Come in page number 124. Here is given over there non-standard units of length. What is non-standard units of length, student? Units of length. The non-standard units of length I am explaining in Hindi, which we can't measure okay easily. जिसके नापने के लिए हमें किसी चीज की हेल्प चाहिए रहती है. You can see children in page number 124. One box is given over there. One student is standing. One children is sitting over there. One box is there. उस बॉक्स को उस बच्चे ने पेंसिल, कितने पेंसिल्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you can see, you can able to see. Here is one student is there. One child is there sitting over here. और ये एक बॉक्स है. इस बॉक्स को बच्चे ने कैसे नापा है, कैसे लेंथ का नाप किया है? यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 पेंसिल, 6 पेंसिल्स रख के नापा है. इसी तरह ये बॉल इस मैन से कितना दूर है, कितने डिस्टेंस पे है? उन्होंने बाई स्टेप्स चल के कितने फुट पड़ा है, कितना लेंथ, कितने चलना पड़ा है, उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने उसको जाना है. दिस डिस्टेंस इज 8 स्टेप्स. सो दिस इज example of non-standard units of length. Now come in page number 125. Heavy and light. You can see the children what is heavy and what is light. Heavy and light. You know elephant and monkey. Which one is heavy and which one is light? आप लोगों ने एलिफेंट और मंकी देखा है? Yes, सबने देखा है. Sorry, I'm written spelling of money by mistake. So here you can see children which one is heavy and which one is light. एलिफेंट बहुत हैवी होता है, तो एलिफेंट बहुत हैवी है. एंड मंकी क्या है? लाइट है. सो दिस वे यू हैव टू जस्ट मैच विथ लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू just show. I will send you PDF, and by the help of PDF you can do in your book. Now come in last page number 126. Page number 126. Here is more or less given over here. You have to do by your own. Color the below bowl with pink that holds more ice cream. Color the bowl with yellow that holds less ice cream. यहाँ पर बोला है children कि color the bowl with pink. उस बाउल को पिंक कलर करो जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा आइसक्रीम है, और उस बाउल को येलो कलर करो जिसपे कम आइसक्रीम है. तो इसमें ज्यादा आइसक्रीम है और इसमें आपको कम आइसक्रीम दिख रहा है. इस हिसाब से आप लोग कलर करेंगे. सो चिल्ड्रेन, आवर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड नाउ. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड डू प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम एंड राइट दिस ऑल इन योर book. I will send you PDF for your help. By the help of PDF you can solve this all questions. For today is completed, and hope you all understand. Thank you and have a good day.